Okay, one of the common questions that we get asked is, why does my garage door need torsion springs when I have a garage door opener? I just bought a brand new garage door opener. Why do I need those springs? The answer to that is the opener is only designed to put that door in motion. If you do not have springs on the door, now that on a very common size door, they're going to weigh at least 200 pounds. First off, the opener is not designed to be able to lift 200 pounds. Second thing is the door is not designed to be pulled on by 200 pounds. The weakest point of any garage door is at the very top or the very bottom of that door, because it does not intersect into another panel, so where the two panels will give each other strength. So that garage door opener is going to pull from this point on the door. Of course, it's going to be on the inside and not the outside of the door. But so the top of every garage door, it has to be reinforced to even be able to use it when the door is actually balanced. But that garage door opener is there to only put the door in motion. So if that opener is disconnected from the door, you should be able to raise the door with one hand. If you can't raise it with two hands, you have a major issue going on with your garage door, and you absolutely need to call us today to get that fixed if you're going to continue to use it. Because if you do not do that, you will be doing two things. First off, eventually you will be calling us or someone else to come out and repair the door, but then you're also going to be repairing your opener, because that opener is not designed to pick up that weight. So the longer period of time that you wait and continue to use that opener where it's overworking itself, the more likely that you are that you will be buying a garage door opener and maybe a garage door, if not a complete door, at least repairing your door. So the short answer is do not use the garage door opener if your door is not working properly. Thanks.